In WebWork, there are many different ways to track time. Firstly, we have track time. This is how much time the member has tracked using WebWork. Secondly, we have manual time. This is the amount of time the member has added manually to the system. Next, we have idle time. Idle time monitors the inactive minutes of workspace members. When idle tracking is enabled in the settings, the tracker will stop tracking when it detects inactivity and will display the pop-up. This feature is useful for tracking the activity of workspace members who may be present but not actively interacting with their devices, such as during meetings, calls, and discussions. After idle time, we have inactive time. This is the period when the member did not make any clicks, keystrokes, or scrolls, and did not switch on idle tracking. Lastly, we have break time. This is basically the amount of time the member has taken for break. If idle tracking is on and you start tracking idle time, you should get this pop-up. Here you can see that there are two buttons. One says, "No, I wasn't working," and the other one says, "Yes, I was working." If you click on "No, I wasn't working," this time will not be added to your tracker. However, if you click on "Yes, I was working," and you can choose a project, a task, and a description, you can choose the time frame to add the time. This way, this time will be added to your time frame as idle time. So let's say I was in a meeting, and I was in the meeting for 3 minutes, and I click on "Yes, I was tracking." This time will be added to my tracker as idle time. If you want to change the settings for idle tracking, you should go to the dashboard, then click on the settings icon. After that, you should go to tracker, and here you'll be able to see all the current settings for idle tracking. Max inactive minutes means that after the specific amount of minutes you put in here, the tracker will stop tracking. Enable idle tracking means that once the tracker stops tracking time, you'll be granted a pop-up asking if you're working or not. Auto enable when active means that when you come back and sit by your desk, the tracker will automatically start tracking time. If you disable idle tracking and disable auto enable when active, you'll be getting this pop-up. This tracker shows that your tracker has stopped tracking time, and this time is not going to be added as idle time. If you want to continue, you can just click on yes.